Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the lesson from Compulsory English How Wealth Accumulates and May Decay written by G.B. Shaw. Today we are going to discuss multiple choice questions with answers which are very important for your exam. So do share the video with your friends and like and subscribe the channel. Also don't forget to press the bell icon, and if you press the bell icon you will get the new notification of new videos. So do share and do subscribe the channel. So let's see the questions from the lesson How Wealth Accumulates and May Decay. Question number 1. Who is the author of the essay How Wealth Accumulates and May Decay? And the correct answer is option A. G.B. Shaw. Question number 2. When was G.B. Shaw born? And the correct answer is option C. In 1856. Question number 3. This essay has been taken from the book The Intelligent Woman's Guide to Socialism and Capitalism, written by, and the correct answer is option B. G.B. Shaw. Question number 4. Who was G.B. Shaw? And the options are a creative writer, a literary critic, a leading dramatist, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 5. What is the reason of unusual amount of distribution of wealth in the different sectors of the society? And the correct answer is option A, capitalism. Question number 6. Who was Adam Smith? And the options are a Scottish philosopher, a proponent of capitalist trend, a poet, both A and B. And the correct answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 7. How many men did the manufacturer of pins require to make each pin by the time of Adam Smith? And the correct answer is option A, 18 men. Question number 8. Who state that the capitalist system has produced an almost universal ignorance in the essay? And the correct answer is option C, G.B. Shaw. Question number 9. Who complained that wealth accumulates and may decay? And the correct option is option D, both A and B. That means Goldsmith and G.B. Shaw both complained that wealth accumulates and may decay. Question number 10. What does Shaw mean by may decay in How Wealth Accumulates and May Decay? And the correct option is option C, increased human ignorance. Question number 11. What did lead to the decline of intelligence and innovation according to Shaw? And the correct answer is option C, proliferation of machinery. Question number 12. Who coined the phrase wealth accumulates and may decay? And the correct option is option B, G.B. Shaw. Question number 13. The title of this essay is taken from, and the correct option is option C, from Goldsmith's poetry. Question number 14. The essay focuses Shaw's views on, and the options are social issues, political issues, humanitarian issues, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 15. Pick the odd one out. Arms and the Man, Man and Superman, Pygmalion, The Guide. And the correct answer is option D, The Guide, because first three are written by G.B. Shaw and the guide is written by R.K. Narayan. Question number 16. The writer attacked on the ill effect of, and the correct answer is option C, capitalism. Question number 17. Which examples given by the writer to show the ill effects of the system? And the options are production of pins, production of clothes, production of food, both A and B. So the correct answer is option D, both A and B. That means production of pins and production of clothes. Question number 18. Which things keep us alive according to Shaw? And the correct option is option D, all of these. The options are newspapers and novels, plays, films. All these things keep us alive according to Shaw. Question number 19. Who turns people into dangerous lunatics in the real world? And the correct option is option C, capitalism. Question number 20. Who failed to convey useful knowledge according to Shaw? And the correct answer is option A, books. Question number 21. Why does Shaw argue that villagers are more intelligent? And the options are they have skill, they make things for themselves, they know how to make things, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 22. Why did human values get eroded? And the correct option is option A, to make money, means to make profit. Question number 23. Whose dress allowance was called pin money? And the correct option is option D, woman. So the woman's dress allowance was called pin money. Question number 24. The writer argued that capitalism has made men, and the correct answer is option C, ignorant. Question number 25. Why did women's dress allowance called pin money? And the correct option is option B, pins were expensive. Question number 26. The essay focuses on the distribution of literature, workers, education, wealth. And the correct answer is option D, wealth. So the essay focuses on the distribution of wealth. Question number 27. Give the meaning of Diplodocus. And the correct answer is option A, a large herbivorous dinosaur. Question number 28. Give the meaning of merino. And the options are a soft wool, a cotton material, a pin, both A and B. And the correct answer is option D, both A and B, a soft wool and a cotton material. Question number 29. What is the effect of the proliferation of machinery? And the options are no expert or skilled worker remain, helplessness, ignorance, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 30. In modern civilization, workers have no control over their, and the correct option is option C, production. Question number 31. Who was William Morris? And the options are artist, writer and socialist, textile designer, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. That means artist, writer and socialist, textile designer,